Now we're looking at a different type of syringe called the double-scaled syringe. And these have the odd numbers on the left and the even numbers on the right. Now they're both still counting by 2. So this would be 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And then this would be 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, and 25. So they're both still counting by 2, but it's the odd numbers on the left and the even numbers on the right. Now, because the marks are so close, when marking these syringe on questions, I only want you to mark one side, that way I can read your answer. Because if you mark all the way across, it's really hard to tell if you're talking about 23 or 22 there. So only mark on one side. So number 5 is 27, and that's going to be the first mark below the 25. So I've only marked on that side. Now the medicine itself does go all the way across. So you can shade all the way across, but only have the mark on one side. 52, that is an even number, and that's going to be the first mark past 52. So only mark on the right hand side, but the medicine itself does fill up both sides of the syringe.